everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of Soul Fitness TV, where we encourage you to be strong inside and out. My name is Whitney, and this is my amazing husband, Jose.
Ya ustedes saben.
So in this week's episode, we're going to share with you a kettlebell workout.
Esta semana le vamos a montar unos ejercicios con esta clase de bola.
So it's a quick workout. You don't have to work out for a long time,
Yeah.
but you'll be feeling it.
Es un ejercicio que son rápidos, que lo puede hacer con la bola esta, que usted lo va a sentir cuando lo esté haciendo.
So we hope that you like this workout. If you do, share it with a friend or someone that you think would benefit from it. As always, we encourage you to be strong inside and out, living your best life.
Así, compártelo y quédate fuerte por dentro y por fuera y que Dios te bendiga mucho.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Ya tú sabes que lo que es.